Well, hey there, friends. It's a quiet kind of day out here. The kind where the world just feels like it's holding its breath. Just a lake, a sky full of stories, and you and me, sharing a little piece together. Whatever brought you here today, I'm glad it did. Let's take a moment, breathe in that calm, see what little wonders might be waiting for us. Life moves fast, doesn't it? But when you pause, like really pause, you can find the sweetness hiding in the simplest things. Like a kind smile, a warm drink, or a peaceful cloud just gliding overhead. Each of these little friends carry a memory. A moment of light or laughter. A spark of imagination tucked away in cardboard. Isn't that something beautiful? No, that's okay. Just a lovely reminder that there's nothing wrong with a little sweetness in your life. So if today's been a little heavy, or the clouds in your mind have been hanging low, just remember, the sky makes room for every color, even gray. Thanks for sharing this moment with me. Until next time, stay joyful, stay curious, and as always, may your packs be full of wonder.